Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So this is video number 2 on our Acme run down from Cartersville, Georgia. Man, like I said, if you watched the first video, I had such a great time. Met so many cool people. I'll take you over to the show and check out the rest of these models. I didn't want to make the video too long. And like I say, just met so many cool people. I'll show you some videos of some of the guys we met along the way and all that good stuff. And yeah, so let's go to the show. Now let's check out the rest of this, and we'll see what else is on the table. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our trip down here at Georgia at Cartersville to the Acme Southern Nationals. Man, what a great show! Great show. There's like 950 models on the table. Unbelievable. We didn't take nothing home, but that's okay. You know, I mean, that wasn't my plan. I just wanted to show some of the work off, all that good stuff, and really to meet a bunch of you guys out there. I just appreciate everybody, and thanks for everybody come up, chit chat, and said hi. A lot of my subscribers, viewers, you know, just that was a good time talking to everybody. I really enjoyed that. Like I said, we're in our Airbnb right now. We're getting ready to head out, getting ready to migrate north back to the good old glove, the old Michigan State. And the guys were laughing at us yesterday. We all the YouTubers went out to the restaurant. We all had dinner together. Tim, Throttle Power, and his wife sat with us. Good time. We had a lot of good laughs. So I really enjoyed it. And, you know, we're trying to explain where we're from. And, of course, everybody here from Michigan, you know, we all hold our hand up like, oh, we're from here, you know. So I was getting a kick out of that. I thought it was kind of funny. That's just the way it goes. So anyways, I'm signing out here. And once again, I appreciate you guys tuning in, checking out the channel. And, hey, we will see you on the next video. You guys have a good one. And thanks for watching.